Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the NH Erlangen. I've been given room 719 on the 7th floor. So here's the key card, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Floor plan. To the right as you enter the room is a light switch together with the slot to insert the key card for the room's power. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. A hook right there. Large mirror. And this is the bathroom. Light switch, the bathtub, sink, toilet, and a huge mirror. Hello. Further inside the room, that's the bed with my traveling penguin. Bedside table with a telephone, TV remote, and other amenities. There is a plug right there together with some light switches. Another light switch. Another plug below. And the climate control panel. Further inside, another bedside table with another plug and more light switches. A light. A mini cupboard, open plan, some shelves, pantry area with some snacks and a couple of glasses, a safe, desk area with a couple of USB ports and more plugs, a light, shelves, a fridge with some snacks and drinks, flat screen Philips TV, and you can see much outside, but I believe that is the main street near the hotel. Okay, so that is the view out of the window the next morning. It is indeed the street right next to the hotel. It is a main street, I think. And there are some shopping places in that direction. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 719 at the NH Erlangen. Sorry for the mess on the bed. Thanks for watching and goodbye.